Welcome back to Chef and Taste. Today I'm bringing Mumbai's iconic street food Pav Bhaji in just 20 minutes. Let's start cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now toss in 1 green chilli finely chopped and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 medium chopped onions. Let them cook until they turn translucent and soft. Now goes in 2 medium chopped tomatoes. Stir well and let them break down completely. The tomatoes create that tangy, rich gravy that holds everything together beautifully. Cook for 3 minutes. Add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder for that gorgeous red color. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2.5 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. While we wait for these spices to release their aroma, let me tell you, if you're a spice lover like me, you'll absolutely love our homemade Szechuan sauce recipe. Find it at the top right corner. Half a cup of cauliflower florets, 3/4 cup of green peas, 1 chopped capsicum for that slight crunch, and half a cup of beetroot. This gives our bhaji that stunning deep red color naturally. Squeeze in 1 teaspoon of lime juice. This brightens up all the flavors. Add 4 small potatoes roughly chopped. Potatoes give our bhaji that perfect thick creamy texture. A generous pinch of hing. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt. Cook for 3 minutes. Pour in 2 cups of water. This is just enough to cook our vegetables perfectly without making the bhaji too watery. Close the cooker lid securely and cook on medium flame for 3 whistles. This ensures all vegetables are cooked through and soft enough to mash easily. Once done, remove the whistle carefully and open the lid. Now mash the vegetables gently with your masher. Add salt as per taste. Keep mashing gently until you get that perfect consistency. Now let's prepare the tadka that takes this bhaji over the top. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Crush some Kasuri Methi. Finish with fresh coriander leaves. Mix this fragrant tadka into the bhaji. Look at that gorgeous color and texture. This is exactly how it looks on Mumbai streets. Garnish with more coriander leaves for freshness. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of butter. Add a handful of coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of Pav Bhaji masala. This creates that iconic red spicy butter coating. Cut a pav into 2 halves. Now here's the technique. Slide the pav's inner half onto the masala butter in the pan. Press it down gently so it absorbs all that buttery goodness and gets perfectly crispy. Toast until golden and crispy on the edges. And there you have it. Enjoy your street-style masala pav bhaji. Serve hot with a lemon wedge, chopped onions and extra butter on top if required. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a delicious dish. Happy cooking!